Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving a media capture failed event error 0xa00f4271 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best match, you'll come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Now underneath options, select other troubleshooters. And then underneath other, select the camera troubleshooter and the corresponding run button. Hopefully that would be able to resolve the problem. You can also go underneath Windows Updates on the left side here, check for updates, as well as going down and underneath Advanced Options and seeing if there's any optional updates that as it relates to your camera or drivers. So I'd recommend considering checking out that as well. And then if you go underneath Apps as well, go underneath Apps, Installed Apps. If you go ahead and search for camera, go ahead and select the three-dot icon next to it and then Advanced Options. Scroll down, select the reset option. If the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select reset. And then once that's done, close out of here and you want to restart your computer. And then hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. As always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.